Thanks for checking in on us here at Stockman Original. I thought I'd catch you up on a few things that I've been doing in the last week or so, and also let you in on what I'm about to start. A little project that I can share the process with you. But anyway, I've been carving these little figures out of marine ivory. This is antique walrus ivory that this little guy is carved out of. These are all going to be pendants, suspended in a silver ring. This is a fun one. This one is done out of whale's tooth. I try to do whale-related items out of whale ivory. And this is the old walrus. Now I've made the beak out of black horn and the eyes as well. And it's they look really sweet. A little ring of silver. And the last one I did is really hard to show these like this, but that'll be mounted kind of like that. But kind of cool. Anyway, this is what I've got. A friend of mine out in Oregon sent me this. She found it on the beach in Washington State. It's a knot basically from a tree. When you see the boards and they have knots in them, well, that's this being sliced into the boards. So the limb would grow right into the core of the tree, starting at a young age. And this wood gets impregnated with so much resins, oily resins, as it's growing and being put into storage as it progresses in its growth. When the tree dies, even this is probably cedar. So cedar lasts a long time, all right? But the cedar rotted away. The horn, I call them tree horns, is still solid and probably would be for a long, long time. I'm not even going to put a number on it. So I was asked if I would carve this into a face, like those spirit faces and things. So I don't know if it'll show up in it kind of shows up pretty good. I thought, because of where they found it, and I'm pretty sure the wood that's in here is going to be beautiful, like fossilized walrus ivory almost. It's so hard and impregnated with that resin, and it's like almost ivory. So I wanted to do something beautiful. I'm going to try anyway. Sacagawea with her baby is my intention for this piece. Since she guided the Lewis and Clark expedition to the West Coast. This comes from the West Coast, so there it is. I'll be posting, the progression of this as I go along, but I wanted to let you in on where I was headed. Well, thanks for checking in, and I'll be talking to you soon. Thanks. Bye.